Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of my show Today's Talk with Ashi. So I hope you are doing well in your life. So as we know very well, I invite different kind of personalities and we talk about something kind of different topics. So today we have a very wonderful guest, Mr. Tos. He has recently completed his NFL journey. So today I will talk to his NFL journey, what he has learned from here and what kind of experience he has gained from here. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So hello Mr. Tos.
Hello,
Okay, so how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very great that I got an opportunity to come to your show.
Okay, so did you face any kind of problems while coming to my show?
No, I didn't face any kind of difficulties while coming to my show.
Okay, so as you know that I will ask to your NFL journey what you have learned from here. So can I ask some general question about it?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so my first question is that how was your NFL journey? What you have learned from here, and what kind of difficulties did you learn? Did you face also?
I learned a lot of things in NFL. I in the starting, in the beginning of my NFL, I was not being able to speak English. I was not being able to speak, not even write English, and I made so many grammar mistake on that time. And on the first day I came to NFL, the ma'am, Parul ma'am asked to me question, tell me about yourself, and I didn't able to answer that question. And that is the thing I gained, and I gained a lot of confidence and the making questions in NFL. And I also being didn't able to give the presentation, and I also being not being able to speak in English in front of the people. So right now I can speak English in front of the people, and I also can give the presentation.
Okay, so my next question is to you. So, what do you see? What kind of changes do you see in yourself apart from anyone? Like most of the students came here and they learned also. So, what kind of changes do you see yourself apart from them?
I see a lots of changes apart from them, uh, like I used to have the camera phobia. Right now I am speaking in front of the camera, but whenever I go to give presentation, the coordinator open his camera, and I go used to get fumble after seeing the camera. But right now I can speak in front of the camera without getting fumble, and with the fluency. And the outer session, in the starting, I was not being able to do the outer session properly. I was thinking that what will the people see, what would happen if the people say something to me, what will I say. Right now I don't care what they see, I just do my work properly.
Okay, so when you came here, you made also friends like everyone made. So, what was your favorite moment when you were in that coaching and when you were with your friends also?
uh, the favorite moment is that the first time I became the coordinator, and for the presentation, and I choose my friends as the team member. So that was the very precious moment for me, and I also won that presentation, and I also received a medal from the sir. So that was the very precious moment for me.
Okay, so as you mentioned that presentation, so when you gave the presentation first time, what kind of problem did you face? And now, if you got a chance to give the presentation again, so what kind of changes would you like to see in yourself?
Right, in the beginning of my presentation, I didn't used to speak more than 30 second or 40 second. I just give the starter of my presentation, and I just speak 2 3 words about the presentation, and I said thank you. I forget my presentation, but right now I can speak more than 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't forget my presentation. I also give the presentation which was conducted by the parliament in that time. Right now we just got the topic at the same time, and I can speak on that time. So that is the changes I see in myself.
Okay. So as we know very well that there are lots of outer present also outer session happens. So what were your favorite outer session that you enjoyed a lot while doing that activities?
The favorite outer session of my NFL journey is out social interaction, because in that social interaction I went to Agra Fort and I talked with foreigners, and after that I went to Jivaji with my team members, and there I talked with so many students who were learning, who were doing their MB, BBA, BA, something graduation. That was my very favorite session.
Okay, so if someone asks you about NIFL that they want to also join the NIFL, so what session would you like to give to them?
Don't think about some so much like I have to go to NFL or not. Just come to NFL because here no one judge you. Everyone is like a same.
So, what last message would you like to give to my audience that if they want to learn communication skills and also learn English, public speaking fear, also overcome that? So, what suggestion would you like to give?
I would like to say that if you want to enhance your communication and enhance your attitude, improve your confidence, so you should come to NFL because here Pradeep Agwal sir teaches everything by from minor to major.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Toast, for joining us, and thank you for watching us. We will meet to the next video.